Hi everyone! Welcome back to the playlist. In this video, we're covering the Footnotes Macro. If you want to add references, clarifications, or extra context in Confluence without interrupting the reading flow, this macro is perfect. It inserts a small numbered marker inline, and when users hover, they instantly see the footnote text. The problem: documentation often needs extra details, sources, definitions, assumptions, edge cases. But if you place all of that inside the main paragraph, the page becomes harder to read. And if you remove it, readers lose important context. So instead of interrupting the main text, we'll attach the extra context as a footnote, visible only when someone needs it. Footnotes inserts a small superscript marker inline, like a reference number. You configure one main field, title. This is the text shown on hover. And the best part, once the page is published, footnotes are numbered automatically based on where they appear on the page. First one is 1, next is 2, and so on. In edit mode, you'll see a simple placeholder marker while you're building the page. Now let's set one up. Insert it, add the footnote text, and publish. Step 1. Insert the Footnotes macro. Open the page and click Edit. Click Insert/+, search for footnotes, and insert it right after the word or sentence you want to reference. Step 2. Add the footnote text. In the Setup panel, enter the title. This is the footnote content users will see on hover. For example, a source reference, a definition, an assumption, or a short clarification. Click Save to place the footnote marker inline where you inserted it. Now we'll publish the page and see numbering work automatically. Click Publish or Update. In view mode, each marker becomes a real numbered footnote, 1, 2, 3, based on the order they appear on the page. Hover over the number, and the footnote text appears instantly. So the main paragraph stays clean, but the extra context is always available. That's it for the Footnotes macro. Inline references, automatic numbering on publish, and hover to read details without cluttering your page. See you in the next video.